A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica-verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About do Mr. Kapalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa done himself. Skippa. With 40 ball. I guess that one is a bad man track. 40 ball, you know what? All right, let's go. Them turn around. Let's go. All right. Let's get it. 24 hours in hell. First stop, breakfast.
Yo, 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, this is cold.
Yeah, we do this all alone, we no link with clown. When I see me in the road, pussy looking like girl. Party ball bust loud, pussy push custom. I full of money from a bucket going on the first page. Pussy, you have to wait on the plane. Yeah, you wanna the same, just this thing by your name. Only for your stage show, the boy them want beat. I sing song, but even try to promote. I'm more wild, but even like I'm a show up just to produce.
Yo, the man at the... Yo, what get the... Hold on, I'm not going to speculate. Let me see what the comments section I said before me jumping at it quickly. Rakash get it wicked, bumbleclot. A man say, you see it? A man say, you man can just straight half our Eddie G this. No, man. Me not think say, Skippa at this Eddie G still. Me not see it. So... Stop cap Rakash. One Skippa. So people and this got like by 23 person. 23 person say yo a Rakash in my talk. 70 person say Rakash get it wicked. 70 person like it. I'm telling you what me think about this Rakash and Skippa thing. I don't feel just go at it, brother. I don't go at it fully, bro. Like give the fans them what them need, bro. Just put it to rest. Put it to rest. Don't do that. Do that and beat me. Do that and beat me. Me know say Skippa record him album here now, so I don't think he might go that route there right now, but eventually we should get it. We should get it.
𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, this
Oh no, I see it
Yeah,
though.
we do this all alone, we no link with clown.
no, I
When I
see
see
it.
me in the road, pussy looking like girl. Party
Looking
ball
like-
bust loud, pussy push custom.
Custom ready.
We full of money from a bucket going on the first page. Pussy, you have to wait on the plane. Yeah, you wanna the same, just this thing by your name. Only for your stage show, the boy them want beat.
Man say you have to wait pan dub plate, you broke, you know no money. If a son man no call you, you don't make no money. He must say, yo, him sing song when him don't even want to promote, he just promote himself because it's a...
We full of money from a bucket going on the first page. Pussy, you have to wait on the plane. Yeah, you wanna the same, just this thing by your name. Only for your stage show, the boy them want beat.
Me I hear the same plus his thing by your name. Me I hear the same, his thing by your name, bro. Man say me a chopper, you a capper. Alright, you know what I said that. I mean say that. Sorry, Rakash. No, I mean say that. Go again. Oh, buckler. The two artists just go on it, brother. Fully.
Yo, 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿,
How we know not true work,
Yeah,
bro?
we do this all alone, we no link with clown. When I see me in the road, pussy looking like girl. Party
Looking
ball
like-
bust loud, pussy push custom.
Ready?
We full of money from a bucket going on the
First
first
page.
page. Pussy, you have to wait on
The
the
plane.
plane. Yeah, you wanna the same, just this thing by your name. Only for your stage show, the boy them want beat. I sing song, but even try to promote. I'm more wild, but even like I'm a show up just to produce a boy. Never, but even try to promote. I'm more wild, but even like I'm a show up just to.
Man said him say him sing song and they even like for promote and more while him they even like guy him sure. The man said that them money that him not need it, bro. So why am I kill up himself and act up himself? I must because I'm fans, of course.
I sing song, but even try to promote. I'm more wild, but even like I'm a show up just to produce a boy. Never buy him in the clothes. Treat the crown like a die, just a fly down the road.
Man say yo, more time him they even want got them show them no break. Because plus the promoter boy them they even buy him no clothes. So why me I kill up myself? Like come on, like when you look at money now do nothing for me. That's why I say not me.
Show up just to produce a boy. Never buy him in the clothes. Treat the crown like a die, just a fly down the road. You know how long me I wait for your next man chat. The last boy talk is a good man job. Fool fall off and can't come back.
Bumbleclot. You know long him a wait for the next man for chat. The last man in the chat is a coat man drop. Man say pussy fall off and Jesus Christ, I don't miss it. Bag of things attack. I don't miss it, sir.
Yo, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, this is
I don't mean.
𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿.
Yeah, we do this all alone with a link with clown. When I see me in the road, pussy looking like girl. Party ball bust loud, pussy push custom. I full of money from my pocket going on the first page. Pussy, you have to wait on the plane. Yeah, you want the same, just this thing by your name. Only for your stage show, the boy them want beat. I sing song, but even try
Like
to promote. I'm more wild, but even like I'm sure. Just a producer, boy, never buy him in the clothes. Treat the crown like a tie, just a fly.
On the road.
You know how long me I wait for your next man chat. The last boy talk is a good man job. Fool fall off and can't come back. Pussy hide back a mass and a life on the chop.
Pussy hide back a mass and a hide. I get Rakash, are you my talk? I'm sorry for saying this. Are you my talk, Mitchie? Are you my talk?
Fool fall off and can't come back. Pussy hide back a mass and a life on the chop. This I never ready for, yeah. But me go give a little relevance. I prefer music, me prefer call Miss Jennifer. You prefer stage show, me prefer talk but my cellular.
Me I give a little relevance. You prefer music, me prefer call Miss Jennifer. Yeah, you prefer. We are not the same thing. We don't tell you already.
I prefer music, me prefer call Miss Jennifer. You prefer stage show, me prefer talk but my cellular. Yeah. This I never ready for. Them never send a skull to the bank. Money where you get feared up. Can't fully tank, can't fix the market strong. Dog a musty prank.
The money where you get for your dub, you can't. Rakash, how much you charge for dub? How much you charge for dub? Him say the money where you get can't full your tank for dub. Your dub money can't full your tank. Your dub money can't full your tank, bro. Furthermore, you can't fix it in market's chunk. His chunk, I can't fix it, you can't fix it because you're broke. And that time, looking every time I talk, them say, yo, how me say it, you know? Nah, no luck, you know, youth, but I'm just stopping up.
Banky money where you get feared up. Can't fully tank, can't fix the market's chunk. Dog a musty prank. Another man pan the media post. But them not got it in a real life though. Another designer shoes, just a squeeze my toe. Another big body coupe, just a breeze pan the toe now.
And say another man up on the media post. Them not have it for show. Them just a cap. Them just a... look for me. I want another designer to squeeze my toe. Another designer to squeeze my bunion. Another coupe on the toe. Just a skate. So, boom.
Another designer shoes, just a squeeze my toe. Another big body coupe, just a breeze pan the toe now. Producer boy can't put me on a suit. Got me no on a strength for me video show and I link up.
Oh, no producer boy can't put me on a suit. Because I don't want to strength for me video shoot. So what am I saying, so?
Producer boy can't put me on a suit. Got me no on a strength for me video show and I link up. No boy kill a life, I just a shoot. We can't shut a whole scene in my room.
Rakia! No, Rakia. Shh. Make that one go on. I get back to it.
Boy can't put me on a suit. Got me no on a strength for me video show and I link up. No boy kill a life, I just a shoot. We can't shut a whole scene in my room.
Yo! Skippa, me beg your song. Have a bad rhythm. Link when you're ready. I know you're recording your album right now. Link when you're ready. Yeah. I know y'all watch this right now. Yeah! You don't know a thing, go. Link when you're ready, bro. Me have a bad rhythm for your dog. Yeah. Yeah. Producer boy, me name, I me that.
When I link up, no boy kill a life, I just a shoot. We can't shut a whole scene in my room. This I never ready for, yeah. But me go give a little relevance. I prefer music, me prefer call Miss Jennifer. I prefer stage show, me prefer talk but my cellular. This I never ready for. Them never send a skull to the banky money where you get feared up. Can't fully tank, can't fix the market strong. Dog a musty prank. Me know the pussy them know how me get insane. Because me know every man go buy them chain. Yeah, they stood there and I sweat, I try bust brain. Me there in the GTS, I try switch lane.
Man say your brain shallow. You're not in a brain space. Man say you're not in a brain cell. Man say you're in the studio, I try find song. Hitch up in a studio the whole day. Furthermore, I know what the whole I want to go buy on a chain. Me know it. So don't feel so, yo, don't make get insane, don't make get rude, don't make get cross-hungry like bounty killer.
She in the air studio and I sweat, I try bus brain. My day in the GTS, I try switch lane. Back up with this before I go on tour. Almost make it of the year, just my second show. I try switch lane. Back up with this before I go on tour. Almost make it of the year, just my second. Every man go buy them chain. The air studio and I sweat, I try bus brain. My day in the GTS, I try switch lane. Back up with this before I go on tour. Almost make it of the year, just my second show. All in the music. Them I play, me still I go on phone. Me cut me hair and bleach my face, I know my buck on gun.
Man, serious about him chopping your fuck. Lighter thief. Read together, big up yourself. Bankroller. Lot la. One bankroller in the man. Big up yourself, bankroller. You mean? Yo! What wanna say? What wanna say? The two artists just got it and done. That song is directly aimed at Rakash. This is a Rakash diss song, brother. Without saying it's a Rakash diss song. It's a Rakash diss song. Like, we don't have to beat around the bush. We don't have to play hide and seek. We don't have to do it. We are big people here, so. We know what we want. We see it. We hear it. Mask. Who wear mask? Who says state? Me don't know if the JAMAICA'S chunk want fix. Me don't know. Somebody can come section and go tell me do. Me know that. Eh? We know. We know say a Rakash Skippa attack. Two artists have to just go at it, bro, fully. Like publicly. Brawling. Me know say song a drop and song. No, we want name a call, brother. Yeah. We want name a call. We want to see white capper from white chopper. We want to see who real from who fake. We want to see who are. I don't know what I mean. Skippa, I beg you a song, bro. I beg you a song. I beg you a song again. I beg you a song. I beg you a song again. Yeah. Me know you work by your album now, but I beg you a song. Yeah, I do things publicly. Me know I want to think what I want to do. 40 ball bad. I want to think what I want to do. I want to think. Let me know in the please in the comment section. I'll be down there watching and reading. Alright? I'll catch you guys down there. Big up yourself, Skippa. Bankroller. Big up yourself, G. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, first game of the review, yeah. Feisty dog. Feisty, you fuck.